Ooh, slick move. Felt him hit my boot. Welcome to Ripka Fly Fishing. Already been fishing today. Caught a couple fish. Gonna probably roll them first thing. I'll put underneath there before. It just now started raining, which is great. As long as it's not thunderstorming, it's great to fish in the rain. It knocks a lot of stuff into the water. And I actually really love fishing in the rain like this because nobody's out and you can pick your hole. If you look right there, that's where we caught 18 in like an hour and a half. I think, yeah, it was like an hour and a half. We're gonna go put it to him right now. Hopefully it's pretty good. We'll see. Anyway, I don't want to talk anymore. I want to go rip some lips. See ya. And we're hooked up for the first fish of the day. Nice little, definitely not a stocky. 2 red fins, but there it goes. Where I have the line coming from. Line going all kinds of different ways. Sorry, I wasn't filming. I didn't expect to catch anything, but let me get my pitch counter out. It's sort of out at this point because it's broken. 33. Put it back so I don't lose it, even though I'm definitely going to. Well, I certainly didn't miss that one. It's a shiner. Let me see if I can show this to you guys. Easy, dude. Okay, he's trying to squirm away, but I want to show you what they turn into. Just a big shiner. He's not cooperating at all. Cooperate with me for 2 seconds. Nice little shiner. I'm counting them. That's odd. It's an odd catch, but it's gonna count because I don't catch too many of those. Not that big. It's a big one. Oh, jeez. I about ate it there. That'd have been, well, I'd about went swimming. I guess I didn't eat anything. Here. I'll take a nice little drink. Ooh, okay. This here is a fat shiner. With an all kinds of messed up lip. You've been hooked before and you are a eating machine right now. Oh my. Look at that. Beat up tail. Face the camera, dude. Don't be camera shy. Look at that messed up lip. Ooh. That wasn't graceful at all. He's a fat shiner. Or whatever you want to call that thing. I'm calling it a shiner. If you want to call it something else, call it something else in your head. What is that sucker doing? The sucker is floating around. I don't know what's going on there. That's really weird. It's not dead, it's kicking, but it's floating. I don't know. Okay, let me try to say this all over again with some dude ripping his truck in the background. So, changed it up, put a beadhead pheasant tail. It's jig headed, which means the eyelet and the hook are on the same side, just like your little curly tail jig some of you guys probably are using for bass or bluegill, whatever. But ooh, I had a fish on there. That was interesting. But I put that on, try to change it up. It's barbless. I'm saying that because I'm gonna lose more fish. It's not really what I plan on doing right now, but it's gonna happen. Or I may catch more, you never know. I know it's barbless, so I gotta take my time. No water skiing. Oh God, no. That sucks. Going pro and undoing knots 2021. Well, that's a brownie, and he hit a little sulfur nymph that I have. No complaints though at all. Look at that color. He might be soft. He swings right away. Well guys, thanks for watching another video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Got some decent fish in the net, nothing too crazy, but it was a decent day. I think I caught 6 or 7. I lost count, was forgetting to do the pitch counter, and I usually don't keep count, so I don't really know exactly how many I caught, but I'll take a look at it, let you guys know. So like, comment, subscribe, let me know what else you guys would like to see, and thanks for watching.